Imagine a world where every product you see, every ad you encounter, and every recommendation you get feels perfectly tailored to you. Not just based on what you clicked yesterday, but based on what you might need tomorrow. That's the direction marketing is heading toward. The future of marketing is not about louder ads or bigger budgets. It's about smarter systems, deeper personalization, and seamless experiences. One of the biggest shifts shaping the future is artificial intelligence and automation. Marketing is becoming faster and more precise as AI systems analyze massive amounts of data in real time. Businesses are moving from reacting to customer behavior to predicting it. This means brands will know what customers want before they even search for it, using technologies like predictive analytics and machine learning to guide decisions. Another major change is hyper-personalization. In the past, companies created one message for everyone. Today, they create different messages for different segments. In the future, marketing will move even further, one message for one individual. Every user may see a completely unique version of a website, advertisement, or product recommendation based on their behavior, preferences, and context. At the same time, the way people interact with brands is evolving. Technologies like voice search, conversational AI, augmented reality, and virtual reality are making interactions more natural and immersive. Customers will not just see products, they will talk to brands, experience products virtually, and make decisions in more intuitive ways. However, with all this data and technology comes a critical challenge: privacy and trust. Customers are becoming more aware of how their data is used, and governments are introducing stricter regulations. In the future, companies that succeed will not only be the most advanced technologically, but also the most transparent and trustworthy. Building trust will become just as important as building technology. Another key shift is the rise of community and creator-driven marketing. Traditional advertising is losing influence, while communities, influencers, and user-generated content are becoming more powerful. People trust people more than they trust brands, which means companies will need to collaborate, engage, and co-create with their audiences rather than simply advertise to them. The future of marketing is also about integration. Successful businesses will not treat marketing as a separate function. Instead, marketing will be connected to product design, customer experience, data systems, and technology. Every interaction, from discovery to purchase to post-purchase, will be part of one continuous experience. The biggest lesson is this: marketing is no longer just about selling products. It is about understanding people, predicting needs, building trust, and creating meaningful experiences at scale. Companies that adapt to these changes will grow rapidly, while those that rely on outdated strategies will struggle to compete. This is the Learning Studio, and although this marks the end of our marketing series, the journey doesn't stop here, because marketing itself never stands still, and neither should you.